Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how can you claim your own double token from Wormhole Airdrop easily, and how can you fix your error like I'm not eligible or you're not eligible for double. Let's get started. As you can see from my screen right now, I'm on the Wormhole Twitter account. By the way, don't forget to follow our Twitter account, and as you can see in here, that's a coin engineer and at coin engineers, and we will share so fast and quick opportunities because our currency market is so fast, and that's why we can't as fast as YouTube in there. That's why we have to share some quick and fast opportunities at the Twitter and Telegram, and don't forget to join Telegram because we are discussing some opportunities. This is a scam or not, this is a real meme coin, is there hype or not, etc. Let's get started. And as you can see in there, Wormhole announced officially its own airdrop and 6 March, and click airdrop.wormhole.com. First of all, we will paste that and click I have read, understand and accept these terms, and then click agree and continue. And yeah, you can check your eligibility right now, and you need to just select first of all network, and you can do it EVM, I mean Ethereum virtual machine. That means some rollups on the Ethereum and Ethereum as well, and Solana, Sui, Aptos, injected in some other layer 1 and monolithic blockchains, and some layer 2 blockchain if you are transact or bridge using Wormhole, and it's some decentralized application on Wormhole technology. But first of all, I want to mention that I want to take a look some criteria to double airdrop explained at the Wormhole blog website, and as you can see in there are some platforms like Wormhole Messaging, ZK, Queries, Gateway, etc. and Guardians. Guardians will be get total supply of 0.1%, if I'm not mistaken, will get as airdrop. And then if you are a developer, you absolutely got airdrop with double token. And then there's some ecosystem applications, for example career bridge, portal bridge, and Merkle minted. Probably if you are airdrop farmer you will use, and for example alert.im, allbridge, apricot. And yeah, I'm just scroll down, scroll up, and yeah, for example Atlas Dex. Atlas Dex using one of the decentralized application, which one is using Wormhole technology, its own infrastructure, and probably if you are using Atlas Dex, probably yes, you are eligible to claim. And right now, as you can see in their EVM is containing Sei, Sui, Kojiro, Near, and another blockchain ecosystem, for example, but Solana, Sui, Aptos, they are independent from EVM. For example, click Solana, connect Phantom. Right now I'm at another browser and I'm not installed my Phantom wallet, but don't worry, you just can click connect and then you can see in there. And if you are member of Wormhole Discord or Monad Discord, you will be eligible to claim your own tokens, for example. And then yeah, if you are stake Osmosis or if you are stake Pyth is sort of matter, and you can click EVM and you can connect with Metamask or Coinbase wallet. Probably you're using Metamask, and just enter the password and connect and confirm. And then at the second approach, click the claim reward, and yeah, you will get your own reward. But probably you can see I'm not eligible to claim my double tokens, and you can go to the settings of Google. Yeah, go to the settings on the Google. You can go to settings Google, your own browser, and you will face the screen, and then you can clear your own browser history, searching history, and some cookies, doesn't matter. And then after that you can try again, and let me just seconds because I need to see where I can clear my cookies. Doesn't matter, just enter the word cookies. Yeah, clear browsing data. Click the advanced because you see what you will clear. Absolutely, you don't click, you mustn't click. Just click browsing history, download history, cookies, and cache image and files. And doesn't matter, you don't have to remark that. And just click clear data. After that, try again and probably you will be eligible. And if you are having some questions about the airdrop and other opportunities, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, join our Telegram group for discuss, and sure, follow our Twitter account. See you on the next time.